So once you are familiar with the needs and ethos, pathos, and logos, which stand for credibility, emotions, and logic, respectively, you are able to draft much persuasive piece of writing. So for this particular persuasive letter, we follow AIDA pattern, AIDA, and this pattern is taken from marketing field, which stand for attention, interest, desire, and action. And we'll talk about every single paragraph in detail. First is attention. Now, attention paragraph is focused on getting readers' attention with offer that is of real interest or value. Means whatever you want to you are offering to the reader. So you focus on reader benefit, and if your reader asks yourself what is in there for me, this paragraph should give him answer to this question. And you can do this by three techniques: by mentioning a fact. For example, around 30% of the world population doesn't have access to clean drinking water. Saving water in your corporation can help save this precious commodity for millions around the country or around the world. The second technique is giving solution to a problem. Many corporations lag behind because of demotivated employees. A professional motivational speaker can lift the spirits of these demotivated employees to help organization achieve its targets. Now you see the problem is highlighted and then a solution is given. Third technique is a thought-provoking question. For example, do you need good grades to qualify for a top-notch university? Our faculty members can help you materialize your dream through excellent tutoring. Now, if you see, first of all, the fact is mentioned, or a problem is mentioned, or a question is asked, then there is an offer. In the first example, saving water in corporations. That's in the second, professional motivational speaker. And the third is our faculty member. So these are the offers. And in the next paragraph, that is the interest paragraph, we explain these offers. For example, if I take the last example of faculty members, what are the qualities of our faculty members? Why are they different from the rest of the people in the market? And what are the benefits of studying from our tutors? How will you benefit? Getting good grades is the ultimate benefit. What are other benefits that you are going to get? So we mention both things in this paragraph. We explain our offer as well as we mention benefits of using or making use of our product or making use of our offer. The third paragraph is desire paragraph. In this paragraph, we mention the key selling point or the best feature of our product or service. The best feature. Okay, and then the we mentioned the best benefit that a reader can take from our product. So whatever the best thing is about your product and whatever the best benefit a reader can take from your product is to are supposed to come here, both things. Okay, moving to the last paragraph, that is action paragraph, and it is here we want people to do some action. For example, in this uh, good grades related uh, statement, we can say that we would like you to join our institute by dialing this number or by visiting our institute or by just filling this form online. So we mention these, we facilitate the reader by including phone numbers and website links and all of this. Throughout the letter, we have to maintain a happy, energetic, and a sense of positive feelings. So if I just recap, in attention paragraph, you are supposed to give offer, what is your product or what is your service. Again, in relation with the reader's benefit, interest, we explain the offer by showing benefits. We in desire best selling point and best benefit to the reader, and in action we request them to do what we want them.